Rotate PDF files with PicoPDF. Open the document and go to the Pages tab. You can rotate all pages at once or select a specific page to rotate. To rotate all pages in the PDF, click Rotate PDF and choose from left, right, or 180 degrees. To rotate a single page, scroll to the desired page or enter the page number in the page box at the bottom of the application. Then click Rotate Page in the toolbar and select the desired rotation. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to rotate PDF pages with PicoPDF. Open your PDF by clicking the Open button or dragging your file into the application. To rotate all the pages in your document, go to the Pages tab at the top of the screen and click Rotate PDF. You'll be given three options: rotate all pages to the left, rotate all pages to the right, or rotate all pages by 180 degrees. Just choose the rotation you need, and the entire document will adjust. If you only want to rotate a specific page, scroll to the page you want to adjust, or you can enter the page number on the page text box located at the bottom of the screen. Once the page is displayed on the screen, click the Rotate Page button on the toolbar and select whether you want to rotate current page to the left, right, or rotate it by 180 degrees. For a quicker way to rotate individual pages, open the Rotate Page drop-down and select Choose a Page to rotate. This will take you to the Page Manager panel on the side of the screen. Next, hover over or select the page thumbnail you want to rotate. Rotation options will appear on the right side of the page thumbnail. Click the counterclockwise icon to rotate the page to the left, or click the clockwise icon to rotate it to the right. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save the PDF or save it as a new file. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.